Samunati has been started to help smallholder farmers and especially to make markets work for the smallholder farmers. So we work across value chains. We work in about 112 value chains across about 20 states. And so far, we also give them money, advisory service, and market linkages. So what we call is AMLA, aggregation, market linkages, and advisory service. So far, we have been associated with about 1,000, close to 1,000 farmer producer organizations across these states. So we also work with agri enterprises. We also work with agri exports. So anything that is to do in the value chain, all the players we work with them. Main focus will be on helping their needs on financing and market linkages and advisories. But ultimately, it should do benefit for the smallholder farmer because those are the main people in the almost 60% in India are small marginal farmers. So we have research centers, we have people coming from all kinds of backgrounds, agriculture, etc. So we make markets work for the smallholder farmer. That's what Samunati is all about. Company is about 5.5 years old now, and it has done extremely well. We have done so far, I think, 6,500 crores of rupees to agri enterprises and all other across value chains, including FPOs, farmer producer organizations. We were one of the first people to work with the farmer producer organizations. Now that there is a nation's 10,000 FPOs, is something we have been working with, and we have been working with the departments, we have been working with the private players, we are working with the research institutions and make sure that our effort is to make farmers prosper and double their income. So how it can be done is only working with the small farmers at the ground level. So that's what we do. Our customers are farmer producer organizations, then agri enterprises who buy produce from the farmers. Then we also give money to the trading to facilitate buying and selling of agriculture produce. And we do not work anywhere. All this money goes to agriculture and allied products, nowhere else.